Okay, so I got a question right here. Solve the equation 22x square minus 273x plus 216 is equals to 0. Show your working and give each answers correct to two decimal places. Now, if you try to solve this, you will know that you can't do it with the midterm breaking method. You can try it yourself. You won't be able to do it using the midterm breaking method, right? It won't lead you anywhere, right? So we know that the formula that we are going to use is basically the quadratic formula to find the x, right? So it's basically x is equals to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac by 2a, right? So as I know, my basically let me write the equation as well. So 22x square minus 273x plus 216 is equals to 0. This is my a, the value, only the constant, right? The 22 is a, minus 273 is b, and then positive 216 is basically c, right? So my xs is equals to minus 273 plus minus square root b is basically my minus 273 square, right? And then minus 4, right? And a I have as 22, right? And then I have c as 216, right? And then I divide the whole thing by 2 times the a, which is 22, right? So I get this as basically positive, right? Positive 273, positive negative, right? And then you will get it as 55521 once you solve inside this over here, right? And then you divide it by 44, which is 22 multiplied by 22 is basically 44, right? So I got two values, right? So I can either write it as basically positive 273 positive square root 55521 by 44, or I can write it as x is equals to positive 273 negative, sorry, this time negative, right? And then 55521 by 44. You have to write it one time with positive and one time with negative, right? When we write this positive negative square root, right? So for this I will get the value, like the decimal value is 11.56 rounded off, and then for this decimal value is 0.85, right, rounded off, right? So these are like your two answers basically in two decimal places, right, as per the question.